Building healthier farms starts with learning from the pros. From Valley Global and Maui Superfood Forest, we visited Ryan at Oko'a Farms to gain hands-on insights. Watch our short film for the visit now.
And we got ginger and turmeric over here, some beautiful taro, egg fruit trees, mangoes and jackfruit. It's fun to have a big diversity. We got many kinds of avocados, many kinds of mangoes growing here. So this one is a Keat mango, and it's just about ready to pick this January. And there's not really mangoes around, you know, so it's cool. And these are flowers, so it's getting ready to put on another flush. And then in here, these guys are kind of sharing the same bed, but there's some jackfruit. We harvested a lot of jackfruit off of this one this year. This thing was like loaded. And here's the next generation starting up. And then you can see more flowers up in here. Definitely can be year-round on jackfruit production. And jackfruit's very good, strong wood. So like you guys get rain over there. So, and I think there's a lot of good selections of windbreak stuff that you could grow, that you could just grow, let it get tall and straight, and then, you know, that's something where it's a long time investment. It's like a good windbreak, but long term you could have, you know, good hardwood available for building and, you know, future projects, you know. And you're like, that's your bank account. For me as like a farmer, like I don't have haven't been able to find a like a, what do you call it, like a savings plan. It's like if we get extra, it just goes right back in. So like it's the land bank, you know, and so then, you know, you're building a little bridge, or you're getting some new pipes, or you're doing new solar panels or whatever. And so that's kind of how we farmed over here. It's like whenever we, you know, have a little extra, it's like, what do we make better? You make, you know, you take the rocks out of the ground, you make a rock wall, and you build a new structure, and, you know, those kind of things. This is one of my favorite fruits is Rollinia right here. So Rollinia deliciosa, and this one is similar to a cherimoya or a soursop or sweet sop, and it will turn yellow, and it tastes like lemon meringue pie filling. Oh, nice. So it's unique and different. You don't find it at your typical grocery store because it has a very short shelf life, and it's, you know, it's very specialty.
Yes. Beautiful. The lychees take 5 years to produce, from what I heard? Or?
It depends, yeah. Like we got some in 3 years, but I mean, it's like a real good crop. We had our best crop ever on these this past summer, and they're just absolute, just huge. Right? Not quite as big as golf balls, but just one size under. All right. And just amazing quality. And there's nothing like being able to like plant a tree and have it grow, and to be able to eat something that's just so exquisite and amazing, and be like, wow, like you were there from its infancy, and, you know, you nurtured it along and made a little bit of fruit for a couple of years, and then to have like a really just great crop, you're like, wow. Something that, you know, makes me feel proud. Like there's so much work that goes into it.
Fruits of the labor.
Yeah. I mean, that's what it's all about. And then of course the same way with, you know, growing carrots and beets and leafy greens. This one over here is another, you know, medicinal one. This one's called elderberry, and all the elderberries already got harvested off of here right now, but we use that the flowers, which are right here, these little white flowers, elder flowers, so those will open up, and then those are useful. We make tinctures with those. And then the berries we mix with vitamin C from the rose hips. So we have a rose garden, and then we make like a cough syrup, you know, immune boosting syrup, elderberry syrup. You know, farming life is, you know, you need all the assistance you can get, you know. So we're dabbling with coffee. So we're going to keep on increasing our coffee over here. But, you know, we got little some coffee cherries here, still ready to harvest, perfectly ripe. So just like taking those steps towards, sustainability, to be able to like grow your own food and medicine and all the things that you need, right? So if we can grow our own, we use these Gliricidia trees right here. So these are like prunings right here of the Gliricidia that just came down on the ground. So you can take this guy and it should grow great in your neighborhood. I mean, you certainly would be welcome to take one if you want, if you guys don't already have them. But you could just pop that in the ground. You could plant it about so deep right there. And then that thing will just sprout and turn into a tree. And this is a nitrogen fixing tree. Mm-hmm. So this is the original windbreak that I planted was most of these Gliricidias. They make nitrogen. So they have a relationship with a bacteria in the soil where they can pull atmospheric nitrogen out of the air. Because like 70% of the air we breathe, most people don't realize that it is not oxygen or carbon dioxide. It's nitrogen. It's not available to the plants. So through the nodules that the bacteria have a relationship with the particular plant, they can pull the atmospheric nitrogen out and store it as nitrogen in little balls in the soil. So whenever we prune these trees, it like releases it out for the other plants. And then of course, you make chips. So you don't ever have to fertilize these trees. And then on here we got black pepper.
Oh,
so this
nice.
is like, we got salt and pepper. It's like, man, that's like,
this is my favorite.
That's like life right there,
Yes.
So I think that one would grow good for you over there too.
Get ready. We're traveling the world to visit incredible farms like Oko'a Farms and beyond. We're soaking up their best practices to build our own sustainable dream from right here. Want to join the journey? Head to valleyglobal.org and support us.